Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. What is rheumatoid arthritis in the knees? Rheumatoid arthritis, RA, in the knee causes swelling, pain, and limited movement. RA affects the knee by inflaming the synovium, leading to joint damage that progresses through 4 stages. Early treatment with medications like DMARDs, NSAIDs, and corticosteroids can slow RA progression and reduce symptoms. Physical therapy, exercise, and home remedies like ice/heat can also help manage knee RA. Surgery like synovectomy, tendon/ligament repair, or knee replacement may be needed for severe joint damage. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.